Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate. On the application of DuckDuckGo, we will click on settings. In this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about DuckDuckGo and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of DuckDuckGo. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by liking and